In Matthew chapter 6, Jesus himself teaches us how to pray. Matthew 6, 7-13 says, "And when you pray, do not keep on babbling like pagans, for they think they will be heard because of their many words." Verse 8, "Do not be like them, for your Father knows what you need before you ask him." Verse 9, "This then is how you should pray. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name." Verse 10, "Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven." Verse 11, "Give us this day our daily bread." Verse 12, "And forgive us our debts as we forgive our debtors." Verse 13, "And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, and the power, and the glory, forever. Amen."